So people, you are going. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright? If you're new, big up yourself. And if you're a returning subscriber, big up yourself. You don't know. Alright, me there Jamaica, you see it, and I said so boom. I want to cook some rice and peas. So me I said so boom. Me no want to buy no coconut milk a shop, so me gonna make some coconut milk. So see there, me have a dry coconut. Alright? And me gonna say so boom, and me chop you up, ox you out of the shell, and show you how we make homemade coconut milk. Alright, so I said so boom. Kneel long on the knee like a real G, yeah, and start bam bam bam, yeah. Chop that. The cutlass kind of dull still, but me still a go in it. Alright? Said so boom. Darland over there, so I tell me say yo, me chop it crossway, but me I tell him say yo, me nah chop it crossway, you see it. So me just go and chop it home, me chop it. Yeah, speed it up. Alright, me nah give up no time. Me gonna see what I go on. Boom boom boom. That out it. That gone. Right? The one I kind of want like a struggle, but we still a match it up. Alright? So see it there? Coconut ox out a shell and everything. Right? The next process, we are showing how I go on. Because you don't know that I just part of it. So we're going in the kitchen now. And we said so boom. Forget the coconut out of the shell there. So we use like a real G. We said so boom. I use the cutlass and bam bam bam. Chop up that real good. Alright? Yeah, clean up back the sink a little bit. Then we said so boom. After I break it up, get one knife. Alright? And we set it properly. Because you don't want the knife cut, so you hold the knife really short. I said so boom. And just take your time and take you out of the shell. When you're a little boy and your mother say come grate a coconut boy, or your father say come grate a coconut boy, that used to be hardest thing. Because you don't like do it. Alright? So that's what we do. Take you out of the shell. Little by a little. Alright? Boom, boom, boom. And we are doing thing. Right? See? Now speed up that again. So boom, that flicking a blender now, that start blend. But guess what? I forgot to show you the part where I cut up a coconut and wash it. But no worry about that. The coconut they wash and cut and thing. Yeah? So now it a blend. And we are gonna blend it for like 5 minutes. So make it blend out real good. But you know with them blender, you can't blend it for more than 1 minute. Because if you blend it for more than 1 minute, it'll go burn up. So you have to blend it 1 minute and then pause and then set so boom and start again. Alright, that done blend. So now we are going to strain it. And we have one big bucket, one strainer, an all metal strainer. Yeah, so you throw in that. Yeah. And you go on. So what do you know? We set so boom. I use one spoon. Get rid of the excesses. But a spoon thing, a touch thing. Alright? And then now get it. So we're going to use your hand now. So put on a spoon, JoeBlack. So JoeBlack put on a spoon. Throw some more in it. Yeah. We are get rid of most of the excess water, you know. Alright? So now with that straight spoon, now we are use your hand. And we are squeeze you out. Like what your grandmother used to do. So your grandmother used to squeeze you out back in the days. So why we are use spoon now? So it says so boom. Squeeze that out and squeeze it out real dry. Right? And right now, we said so boom and we are squeeze you out, right? We now go dash away trash, you know. We said so boom and put some sugar in it, right? That's sweet with sugar. Alright, some people use it to make gizzarda, but then the gizzarda don't taste good because all our nutrient don't squeeze out the trash already. Alright, so we're now going to use it to make gizzarda. We're going to set some boom and we're going to put some sugar in it and we're going to eat some of it. Alright, so that a squeeze out. And you see, the juice will come out of that well rich. Alright, take more little time, we're not depend on yes. Alright, if you're looking at one bag over there, so you see some June plum, and we're going to make some June plum juice one idea as well. Alright, so we're just going to take our time and we are doing thing. Alright, I last little bit left, so we want to get all our juice out of it. Alright, so that's all our juice, you know. So what we're doing now, we just set some boom and we'll throw it in one container and come back and show you what you look like. Alright, we soon come. So I don't forget to tell you something, I'll show you what you look like. So I eat that all done, look how you creamy, look how you look good. Alright, yeah, no pay the little decoration in mind. Alright, I do some coconut trash with a little ox. Yeah, I try to look fancy. Alright, yeah, I say. So this is a finished product. We homemade coconut milk. We pick your coconut from the tree and we chop it out of the ox and we blend it. And yeah, and this is the result. Alright, you might ask, well, you can put this in. You put this in your rice and peas. You put this in your porridge. You put this in your curry if you make all curry shrimp. You put this in your tea, your chocolate tea. Yeah, then this in you put in. Alright, I'm going to show you little rice and peas we make. Right, I'm going to see all rice and peas. Bossy. But I say now, I just say thanks for watching the video. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. Is it? Me appreciate it. Just remember to like, share, and comment on your video. Yeah. Tell your friend, tell your friend, tell one more friend and one more friend, tell another friend. Say cooking with JoeBlack is a place to be. Alright? So I wrote to 1,000 subscribers. We almost reached it. So don't tap the one I do. And me appreciate the love. And me love you all on. So until next time, walk good. And me love you. Cooking with JoeBlack is happening.